Yes, it's called Monstrously Monstrous. It's about a very monstrous monster named Monster who nobody ever notices or pays attention to. One day, in the supermarket queue, a boy named Leo tells him something that will change his life forever. You'll have to read the ebook to find out. But I can assure you that it's something monstrously monstrous. No, but it's available at edshare.com in a whole load of formats and at Amazon too. This. Broccoli? Isn't it a bonsai? I have a lot to learn yet. Anyway, see you soon, read my books.